Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson number 3 of Computer Basics. In today's lesson we will learn that what's operating system and have its work and which operating system are exist. So let's start that what's operating system. What is operating system? We can say that an operating system or OS or operating system. Operating system is a software that manages computer hardware, software, resources and provides common services for computer programs. At previous lesson, lesson number 2, we learned that software are divided into two parts. For the one is system software and the other one is application software. So we can say that operating system is a system software. Operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware, software, resources and provides common services for computer programs. Or another way we can say an operating system OS is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which is perform all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk and drive printers. So shortly we can say operating system or OS or operating system. Operating system is a system software which control the PC work and execution of other softwares. Operating system is the most important software in computer system. When we are working in computer, we should have installed operating system on computer. Without having an operating system, we can't use our computer system. Operating system is like a soul for computer system. For example, if we say that human body is made of like brain, heart and other part of bodies. Our dead body also have all the things, but the dead body can't walk, can't speak, and also can't eat and can't perform anything. Why? Because there is no soul in the body. So operating system is also like a soul in computer system. If we have a computer system and we don't install operating system in a computer system, so we can't use our computer system. The computer is like a dead body, and the computer without operating system can't do anything and can't perform any task. So operating system is the most necessary software in computer system. We should install operating system in our computer system. For example, without operating system, we can't use any other application. For example, we want to install Adobe Photoshop. First of all, we should have operating system on our computer. If we don't have an operating system in our computer system, we can't use another application. So we can say the operating system is as a car driver for a computer. For example, if there is a car and without driver, the car can't start automatically, and for controlling the car, there we need a driver. A driver should be there in a car to control the direction of the car, the speed of the car. So for computer system, or for controlling the computer system, we need an operating system. So without operating system, the computer is nothing and we can't use. So what operating system are exist? We had an operating system by the name of DOS. DOS means disk operating system. DOS was the operating system which was released in 1981, in 19 81, DOS was released. DOS, at the DOS operating system, there were no graphical interface in our computer system, and we didn't see anything graphically like now. This is a Windows operating system, Windows 10 operating system. At the DOS operating system, there were no graphical user interface like icons, like these things, and everything we were performed by using command. If I show you, there is command prompt interface. DOS was completely like that. Everything was at there, and we were creating file using command, and we were deleting file using commands. For every task we used a command to perform a task. But now the computer or have graphical interface, and we can do anything by seeing icons, by clicking, and we can see menus. And at the DOS operating system there were no menus and no graphics. Then the operating system which released was Windows operating system and 95. Then the other version of operating system released in 19, which were called Windows 98. After that, Windows XP released, and after that we had Windows Vista, and after that the other version of Windows was Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and at the latest version of operating system, Microsoft operating system which we have in computer is Windows 11. These are the Microsoft operating systems. These are the Microsoft operating systems. We have we can use this operating system, but we can tell you that Microsoft don't support Windows 7, Windows Vista, XP 9, and Windows 98, Windows 95. And now Microsoft supports only Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. So for using of our personal computer, we can use these three versions of Microsoft Windows. And without the Windows operating system, why we call that Windows? Because at the Windows operating system you can see everything at the separate window. For example, I'm opening Adobe Photoshop. It will open a separate window, and everything we can see in a separate window. But without Microsoft Windows, we have other operating system like Mac operating system, Macintosh operating system. That's an operating system we can use for Apple computers. For Mac computers we can use. So there in another operating system you name Macintosh. And also we have other operating system by the name of Linux. Linux is an open source operating system which is more secure and which is free. Linux is an open source operating system, and also we can use on our computer Macintosh operating system, Windows operating system, Linux operating system. It depends on user. Which user want to use which operating system. But most of people use in their PC for personal work. Their PCs, they are using Windows for their Mac operating system. And in our this series of lessons we will work practically on Microsoft Windows, that have to install, have to secure, provide security policy and grow policies and everything, how to manage the operating our computer using Microsoft operating system. And instead of that we have Unix. We had any Unix operating system, but these are operating system. In today's lesson we learned that what's operating system. So briefly we can say operating system is a system software which is used to control the PC work. If we want to use our computer system, we should install one of the operating system like Windows, Linux, or we can use Macintosh operating system for our computer systems. And inshallah the next lessons we will continue, and we will start working in details and working practically in Microsoft Windows operating system. So up to next lessons, have a good day. Inshallah in the next lesson we will work practically on Microsoft operating system.